It is a blessing to have you here. May you find joy and comfort in your faith. Today, we will explore the importance of relationships built on the grace of God. Through Paul's example, we will see how the love of Christ should be the foundation of all our interactions, reflecting divine goodness and wisdom in every word and action.
Paul's relationships with the Christians were sincere and originated from God. In a world where courses, seminars, and specializations promise to improve our interactions, we still see courts filled with cases and broken families. Paul shows us that the true foundation for healthy relationships is not in human wisdom but in God's grace. By basing his relationships on this grace, Paul developed deep and lasting connections, guided by the love of Christ. Paul emphasizes the importance of beginning our relationships according to the grace of God. He was clear in his words, ensuring that his intentions were pure and that his actions reflected the will of Christ. In a world where trust is constantly shaken, integrity is essential for our relationships to be strong and lasting. Like Paul, we must strive to be transparent and truthful, honoring God in all our interactions. Paul's example teaches us that to cultivate good relationships, we must let go of possible rights and advantages, always aiming for the broader benefit and the well-being of others. This involves sacrifice and the willingness to put others before ourselves, just as Christ did. When we live this way, our relationships become fertile, growing and strengthening in the grace and love of God. The relationships we build based on God's grace are not just for this life but also reflect eternity. Just as we will be united with Christ forever, our relationships in Christ also have eternal value. They prepare us for the kingdom to come, where the love and grace of God will be fully manifested. May we then value and cultivate these relationships, knowing that they have an eternal purpose. Our relationships should reflect God's grace in action. By basing them on love and integrity, we can build connections that not only benefit us but also glorify God and pave the way for eternity. May we, like Paul, live in constant pursuit of strengthening these bonds, trusting in God's grace to guide all our interactions. If you were blessed by this message, subscribe to the channel for more devotionals like this. Leave your comment, share this video with your friends and family, and activate the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is posted. May God bless your relationships and fill them with His grace.